Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to bypass family link protection on your Oppo A16 device. So at the very beginning you need to open Settings application and go to Google. Now tap Manage your Google account. Choose Get Started. Fine. Now choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and here you need to choose Delete your Google account. But not too afraid, because we'll recover it later. So wait. Oh, okay. Do it again. Scroll down, delete your Google account. Enter a password. Choose Next. Scroll down, choose I understand. Scroll down again. Choose Yes, Yes, and delete account. You will see error here. Just cancel and go back. And now we can see that all apps are unlocked now. But our Google account was deleted. So what we can do to recover it? You need to open Play Store, choose Sign In, choose Sign In again, then try to log into your account. Choose Next, and now you will see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. Choose Next. And now you need to type your password. Then choose Next. Wait a while. Scroll down and choose Accept. Fine, we have recovered our Google account, and that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.